I would definitely recommend such a trade mission.
I thought it was extremely useful.
You get people along that know the country, that know the culture.
At first we were a bit hesitant to go to Taiwan, but we went to a meeting beforehand, also here at Brainport some months ago. And there we got a really good presentation about the opportunities there and also about the plan to go to Taiwan.
In Taiwan, it's not that easy to do business on very short notice. You first need to gain trust from these companies.
We had a Smart City Summit there and had very good response with the team. We went with a small team of companies and together with the Brainport and the city of Eindhoven, and that worked out really well.
The culture fits very well, and it is also an easy opportunity to launch your products in other Asian countries via Taiwan.
Asia anyway is I would say a continent where a lot is happening around smart cities. I think there are a lot of well-schooled people in a country like Taiwan who can actually contribute to that ecosystem of creating a smart city.
The Netherlands is very small for our product, so we have our product now ready for sales in the market. We have been working for a long time to develop this, so we need to start thinking about export. And we are busy with countries around the Netherlands, but we would also like to explore countries more to the Asian market. And Taiwan is a very suited country for that, so that's why we are very interested in joining that mission.
Beforehand we already had a few contacts and a few leads in Taiwan, so we learned more about Taiwan, and at that moment it was a good opportunity to hook on and to go there.
We had some great opportunities to network, to talk to people, to get introduced to government authorities, thanks to the matchmaking that was done by Brainport, and that was facilitated also by the city of Eindhoven, so those were real door openers for us.
Well, meeting other companies, so being on a trade fair there, meeting other companies, talking about their vision, about their strategies, and looking for opportunities in that country. That was, I think, the most interesting part of the mission.
Going with Brainport to Taiwan was different from other visits that we had to other countries, in that it was a relatively small setup with not too many companies, and really tightly bonded with the city of Eindhoven and Mayor Rob van Gijzel, and that opened a lot of vice versa opportunities and open doors. So that was really good.
Other benefits of going to Taiwan with Brainport and with the city of Eindhoven definitely was, I think, brand and name recognition in Taiwan, and with government authorities there, definitely a big plus. Networking with other stakeholders as well, not only government authorities, but being able to network with research institutes, universities, etc., who are important stakeholders in the whole smart city ecosystem. So yeah, definitely those are other advantages.
Going there together with Brainport, all telling the same story, showing the benefits, and also have authorities like the mayor also advocating your company helps a lot, of course. So in that sense, it's very beneficial to go together.
Being able to focus on really the relationship building and the message that you want to bring, instead of having to worry about where you need to go and do the entire logistics and also the language barriers, etc. Having someone from Brainport Development there who was able to speak the language was definitely a big advantage.
And of course you can have a consistent story to tell to the authorities in that country and other companies. So
yes, we are already doing business since our last visit, so that's very quickly. And we have quite a couple of serious leads.
We are still in contact with these companies, so we are working on that, and I'm confident that we will at the end do good business over there.
I would definitely recommend such a trade mission. I would at first, of course, look at the opportunities that you really have there and see if there's a fit with the other companies that are planning to go there.
Actually, we already booked a new trip in 2 weeks from now, so we're going back to Taiwan to further enhance the relations that we established some weeks ago during the mission. So we are working to set foot on that country.